Now love for the road. One voice I done voice here.
Warning!
Super G
Super G sound!
Yo man, we tell them say a Super G sound. I'm gonna pick up myself, your popcorn, your I can't change to represent to the fullest.
I'm gonna pick up yourself in the Super G movements.
Go on YouTube. Guess what? Chef Fitz in the building again with another recipe. Today I'm gonna show you how to do your oven jerk chicken. Alright? So remember, you can't go outside, you know, to sort out your grill and all those things. So guess what? We are doing it oven style today. Not the official authentic style, but it's an oven style today. Alright? So stay tuned. I'll show you how to do your oven jerk chicken. Alright?
Now love for the road. One voice I done voice here.
Warning!
Super G
Super G sound!
Yo man, we tell them say a Super G sound. I'm gonna pick up myself, your popcorn, your I can't change to represent to the fullest.
I'm gonna pick up yourself in the Super G movements.
Alright, welcome back. So I'm going to show you my dry seasoning. Alright, right here we have our natural season, which have in our garlic, all of our natural spice. Alright, over here we have a little all-purpose. Also we have some pimento seed here bouncing around. We have our jerk season. This basically have in a lot of scotch bonnet and all the stuff that I blend up. So this is my secret jerk seasoning. We have some paprika, we have some basil, and also we have some black pepper. Alright, we're gonna add our dry season first to the meat. Alright, and then we have a little chopped onion, we have some garlic, and we also have some thyme chopped up. We're gonna add it there too. Alright, looking good. Looking good. Add some oyster sauce, a little bit browning, not a lot, and then you're gonna rub it in nicely. Alright, so ensure that all your chicken get rubbed in nicely. Yeah, this chicken was washed. As you know, how me do my thing, I already wash it nicely with vinegar. Clean out, ensure that you clean out all these little areas, because you know a clean we say now. Alright, so we have to go clean with our chicken. So we rub it in nicely, and then we're going to leave it to marinate for 2 hours. Ensure that you go under the skin, man. These places, because you know you want your spice to go under these places. So rub it in nicely, and you're going to put down to for about 2 hours to marinate. And then I'm going to get back to you and show you how you do it. So stay tuned. Alright? Welcome back. Let me kick off the ball now. So our chicken has been marinated for the last 2 hours. Alright? So let me start the romantic part of it. So we're going to kick it off on the grill first. Our grill. So we're going to drop it on the grill. Because we want to give it like the grill flavor before we put it in the oven. And give it a little color. Alright? So put on some color on it first before we put it in the oven. So we have it on the grill. So we have pre-grill it first. We have grill it up first and then we put it in the oven. Alright? We're going to turn it a little bit there. Yeah, as you can see the color company. You know, anytime we have jerk, we have a special thing where we use. You understand? And without jerk, we have to add some beer. So then we add the deputy beer to the chicken, alright? Yeah, the beer kind of give it kind of tenderize it. And give it a nice taste, yeah? Then you add a little beer to it. I hope my mother don't think I'm an alcoholic now, because every time I cook I add in beer. No, at least the meat one, so we are give it to it. Alright? The beer kind of make it steam down and taste nice. Like real authentic jerk. Remember, you know, this is not real authentic jerk, you know, where we go through with our pimento wood and all those things. No. We're doing it on the grill top and then we put it in the stove. We call oven jerk. Alright, just cover it down. I'll make it stay there and go on. As you can see, our chicken looking even better every time we turn it. Alright, looking good. Looking good. Let me have a little more beer tweak now. As my friend Wesley would say, looking good, my friend. Alright, cover it back up. That beer, you know, kind of sickly. Alright, so after about 20 minutes on the grill, we're going to remove it. And then we're going to put it into the oven. Alright, so we're going to put it in here. Good. Alright, you see all of this juice. You see me clean out of the grill. Look where it's going now. Look at that juice going. So you never know me have a secret passage here, yeah? And we're going to pour it nicely all over with chicken. Alright? And then we're going to add it to the oven and leave it for about 30 minutes and then check back on it. Alright? Alright, as you can see, we have it in the oven. So we're going to leave it about 30 minutes to get that oven jerk taste. And then we're going to check it back. So we are going to prepare our jerk sauce. We're going to add just a little bit of cooking oil. A little bit, not a lot. And remember the season that we use to season up the chicken? Alright, the season of the chicken. So we're going to add this to the pot. Prepare our jerk sauce. Saute it a little bit here, and then we're going to add some water to it. Alright, so now we're going to add about half cup of water to the sauce. Good. Look at it. So add a little bit of oyster sauce back to it, a little bit of ketchup. Nice. A little bit of oyster sauce. Not a lot, just a little bit. Good. Looking good. And we're going to leave this to cook down for about 5 minutes. And then see how it looks. This is our jerk sauce. So we are going to check on our sauce, alright? Wow. As you can see, our sauce is coming out, you know. Look at how it looks. Wow. Our jerk sauce, boy. Oh, not now. Look at how it look. Leave that to simmer down for a minute. Take a look on it. Look how it look good. Jeez. Alright. So our chicken look good. As you can see, look at it here nice. Wow. Alright. So leave it for another 5 minutes. And then we can take it out. So after 30 minutes, look at our jerk chicken. We're going to remove it from the oven and we're going to share. Alright? Look at it, guys. Look at it. Oh, wow. Look at how soft it is, man. Wow. Our jerk chicken. Look at it. Alright? I'm going to serve this up with something nice today, you know. Alright? Serve it with something nice today. Oven jerk chicken. There you have it, guys. Our oven jerk chicken served with rice and peas and vegetable. Look at it. Let's add a little the sauce to it and say, look. My word. Gorgeous. Beautiful. So thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to Chef Fitzroy on YouTube. Fitzroy Needham on Instagram. Fitzroy Needham on Facebook. So stay tuned while I produce more recipe to you guys. Love you now.
Now love for the road. One voice I done voice here.
Warning!
Super G
Super G sound!
Yo, man, we tell them say a Super G sound. I'm going to pick up myself, your popcorn, your back and to represent to the fullest.
I'm so big up yourself in the super movements.